The world is changing. Traditional financial systems are being challenged. A new era of digital assets is upon us, and at its forefront is cryptocurrency. Stories abound of early adopters who transformed modest investments into fortunes almost overnight. However, this potential for high reward comes hand in hand with risk. The crypto market is known for its volatility, often experiencing dramatic price swings that can leave investors both exhilarated and anxious. Understanding the fundamentals of this exciting new asset class is crucial for anyone looking to participate. Knowledge is power, and in the world of crypto, it's the key to unlocking long-term success. We'll demystify the jargon, explore the core concepts, and equip you with the tools and strategies needed to navigate the crypto market with confidence. Join us as we delve into the exciting world of crypto investing and explore how you can be a part of this transformative journey. Imagine a currency that exists solely in the digital realm. No physical coins, no bills, just lines of code secured by advanced cryptography. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. It's decentralized, meaning it operates independently of governments and central banks. Transactions occur directly between users, facilitated by a global network of computers, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin, the first and most famous cryptocurrency, emerged in 2009 as a response to the global financial crisis. Since then, thousands of cryptocurrencies known as altcoins have been created, each with its unique features and applications. Think of Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, as a platform for building decentralized applications, much like apps on your smartphone. Understanding the basics of cryptocurrency is crucial for making informed investment decisions. To truly grasp the power of cryptocurrency, we need to delve into the technology that underpins it: blockchain. Imagine a digital ledger distributed across a network of computers, recording every transaction in an immutable and transparent manner. That's blockchain in essence. Every time a cryptocurrency transaction occurs, it's grouped with others into a block. This block is then verified and added to the blockchain, creating a permanent and tamper-proof record of the transaction. This decentralized and distributed nature makes blockchain incredibly secure and resistant to fraud. Beyond cryptocurrency, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize countless industries. Understanding blockchain is essential for grasping the true potential of the crypto ecosystem and its impact on the future of finance and technology. Investing in cryptocurrency is like navigating uncharted waters. There's the potential for incredible rewards, but also inherent risks. That's why having a clear investment strategy is paramount. Two primary approaches dominate the crypto landscape: short-term trading and long-term holding, also known as hodling. Short-term trading involves capitalizing on the market's volatility, buying low and selling high within short time frames. It's a high-risk, high-reward strategy that demands technical analysis, market timing, and a strong understanding of risk management. Long-term holding, or hodling, is a more passive approach. It involves buying and holding cryptocurrencies for extended periods, weathering the market's fluctuations in anticipation of long-term growth. The best strategy for you depends on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and time commitment. In the digital world, security is paramount, especially when dealing with valuable assets like cryptocurrency. Unlike traditional finance, where banks act as custodians, you're responsible for safeguarding your crypto holdings. Choose strong passwords. Use unique and complex passwords for all your crypto-related accounts, including exchanges and wallets. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a unique code from a separate device like your smartphone in addition to your password. Beware of phishing attacks. Scammers often impersonate legitimate companies to steal your credentials. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or websites asking for your login information. Store cryptocurrency securely. Consider hardware wallets, which store your private keys offline for maximum security. Remember, your private keys are the keys to your crypto kingdom. Keep them safe, never share them, and store them securely to protect your investment. Section 6. Navigating the Crypto Seas Portfolio Management Tools. Managing a crypto portfolio can be daunting, especially with the market's constant fluctuations. Fortunately, a plethora of tools can help you track your investments, analyze market data, and make informed decisions. Cryptocurrency exchanges. Exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken are your gateways to buying, selling, and trading cryptocurrencies. Portfolio tracking apps. Apps like Blockfolio, CoinStats, and Delta allow you to monitor all your crypto holdings in one place, providing real-time updates on balances, profits, and losses. Charting and technical analysis tools. Websites like TradingView and CoinGlass offer advanced charting capabilities, enabling you to analyze price trends and identify patterns. News aggregators. Stay up to date on the latest crypto news and developments with aggregators like CoinDesk, Cointelegraph, and The Block. Utilizing these tools can streamline your crypto investment journey, providing insights and assistance in managing your portfolio effectively. Section 7. Riding the Crypto Wave: Emerging Trends and Opportunities. The crypto market is constantly evolving, with new trends and opportunities emerging regularly. Staying ahead of the curve is essential for identifying potential investment prospects. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, aims to recreate traditional financial services like lending and borrowing on the blockchain, offering greater transparency and accessibility. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs are unique digital assets representing ownership of digital or physical items such as art, collectibles, or even real estate. Metaverse and gaming. The convergence of blockchain technology, virtual reality, and gaming is creating immersive digital worlds where users can interact, own assets, and potentially generate income. Web 3.0. The next iteration of the internet, Web 3.0, promises a more decentralized and user-centric experience, with blockchain playing a central role. As the crypto ecosystem matures, new trends will undoubtedly emerge. Staying informed, researching emerging technologies, and understanding their potential impact can help you identify promising investment opportunities. Section 8. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. In the world of investing, diversification is key to managing risk. This principle holds true for cryptocurrency as well. The crypto market is known for its volatility, and individual cryptocurrencies can experience dramatic price swings. By diversifying your portfolio across multiple assets, you spread the risk and reduce the impact of any single asset's performance on your overall holdings. Consider allocating your investment capital across different cryptocurrencies with varying market capitalizations, use cases, and growth potential. Beyond cryptocurrencies, explore other asset classes like stocks, bonds, or real estate to further diversify your portfolio. The goal is to create a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. Section 9. The future is bright. Embrace the crypto frontier. The world of cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, full of potential and possibilities. While it's essential to approach this exciting new asset class with caution and a healthy dose of skepticism, the opportunities for those who dare to explore are vast. As you embark on your crypto journey, remember that knowledge is your most valuable asset. Take the time to understand the fundamentals, research different cryptocurrencies, and develop a sound investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Don't be afraid to start small, learn as you go, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The future of finance is being written in code, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. Embrace the crypto frontier, stay informed, and invest wisely.